Ready? Look what we got. Hey everybody, welcome to our kitchen. Charity and I are going to be making some Snickerdoodle cookies here in just a minute, but we are going to put in our clip of unboxing this month's myChow surprise box. So it is the January box. So we are going to put that clip of the unboxing here in a second, but real quick, just in case you are new to Keto Chow and you don't know what Keto Chow is all about, I want to give you a quick rundown. What is Keto Chow, Charity?
A powder that is keto.
It's a powder and it's keto friendly. So Keto Chow is a complete meal shake. So you can make it up as a shake, you add your own fat, and so you can adjust the amount of calories, in depending on what you need for your macros. And it just is a way to make keto more convenient. You can skip cooking and you can have a shake. But it's also really fun for lots of different recipes. They have really great flavors and it works so well in so many different recipes. So like I said, we're going to be trying the Snickerdoodle cookies.
The lights keep turning off the back.
I know. Isn't that weird? They don't really keep turning off.
Wait, what?
They don't really.
They're not actually... How? How is that?
It's because of the camera and the frame rate of the... It's complicated. We'll have to YouTube it and learn about that. So the myChow surprise box is the cheapest way to get Keto Chow. You can get a 20% discount on the contents of the box, and you just have to accept whatever they choose as the surprise flavors for that month. You can get a 15% discount and still choose your own flavors. So that's an option if there's some flavors that you really don't like. But the myChow surprise box is super fun. You get to be surprised by the flavors, and they also include little recipe cards, including the one we're going to be using for our cookies today. So we're going to go ahead and throw in the footage of the unboxing, and then we'll be back to make some cookies. Hey everybody, we are back once again at the beginning of the month for the myChow surprise box unboxing. Okay, so this video is coming out probably on New Year's Day, as long as I have everything in order and get my act together. So New Year's Day is January 1st, and this is the January box. So in January, the only real big holiday is New Year's Day. What flavors do you think should be in the box for New Year's Day?
What is the next?
And for winter.
Season?
Winter. It's just winter.
I think apple pie.
Apple pie. What do you think?
Vanilla.
Vanilla. There was the big bag of vanilla last month. What do you think would be for winter time? I mean, obviously all the fall flavors still would be welcome in winter. What other flavors might be wintry?
Can I, egg? Can I take turns?
Eggnog, yes.
Can I take turns?
Yeah, we'll take turns.
Oh, maybe chocolate malt.
Chocolate malt, although that's sold out now.
No.
So sad. Maybe chocolate mint.
Maybe.
Oh. Yeah,
Or,
I still think anything.
peppermint.
Yeah, that one's also sold out already. Those ones were super popular and they got sold out really fast.
What?
But maybe chocolate mint, maybe chocolate toffee. I think any chocolate is a very wintry, fun.
Or just plain chocolate.
Or just plain chocolate. All right, are we ready to do this? We're gonna just do one at a time. Let's go down the row and have Renee go first.
Okay.
Okay.
It's blueberry pie.
Blueberry pie.
Yeah.
You got the pie part right.
I think that's probably a summary.
It is a summery flavor, but I'm not going to complain about it in winter either. And a hot blueberry pie, that would still be nice in the
Blueberry
winter.
pie.
Another blueberry pie. Maybe what if this whole box was only blueberry pie? Everything, even the big bag. Wouldn't that be crazy? Hey, aren't I gonna go? Or do I? Maybe I can just do the big bag. Wait. It's not your turn. Oh, I see. All right, go ahead. You guys do all the little ones, and I'll do the big bag. Okay?
Chocolate peanut butter.
Ooh, yes.
This is not all blueberry pie.
At least it's not all blueberry pie. I mean, it wouldn't be the worst thing in the world.
Gonna get the bottom tiny one. Banana.
Ooh, banana. You could.
That's a summer.
Yeah, it does seem like a summer. We could mix it with chocolate peanut butter and do a chocolate peanut butter banana. All right, what are you doing?
Grabbing the confetti.
Oh, okay. Go ahead and pull one out, Levi.
But
Oh, you got two. Well, this one's the second banana. We got two bananas this time. And what's this one? Do you know this one?
No.
Chocolate toffee.
Ah!
That's good. I think that's like a Christmassy, holiday, wintry treat. All right, I'm gonna go for. Oh wait, I wasn't gonna do any of the little ones. You do that one. Cookies and cream. All right, another little one.
Is there?
I think there's a couple more.
No, there's two left.
Okay.
Snickerdoodle.
You gotta show it.
Yeah.
That's a wintry, type of flavor, I think. All right, Levi, come back up here.
Hey, yeah. All right.
All right, is that the last one?
Yes, Snickerdoodle also.
Oh, another. So they got doubles of several of them this time. Sometimes they don't have doubles. And then there were no savory flavors this time. So it really is a surprise. We never know. All right, big bag is left. And then we also have recipes. That was exciting. Okay, are you ready for the big bag?
Yeah. Oh, chocolate.
Chocolate. We can never go wrong with plain chocolate. Like that's a staple flavor that we use a lot.
Take turns doing saying recipes?
Yes. Okay, I'm gonna set this down. Did you guys know, did you know that there are secret messages on the bottoms of the big bags of Keto Chow?
I didn't know that.
From the secret message panel. It's a secret message panel says, "You found me. Better order more Keto Chow." And that's by my Lisa.
Chocolate pumpkin pie bars.
Ooh, you need to scoot closer to me.
Now my turn.
Chocolate pumpkin pie bars. That sounds
It goes
delicious.
my
So hold on a second.
turn.
You use pumpkin puree and chocolate Keto Chow. That sounds great.
Oh,
Ready?
there's still the old packages.
Yep. There's no new
Blueberry
packages in this
pie.
one. Blueberry scones. That looks
What
good.
are
I imagine
scones?
that's with the blueberry pie. So scones are a little bit like a sweet biscuit. It's like a biscuit,
Can we make
but
them?
it has sweetener and sometimes chocolate chips, sometimes lemon, sometimes blueberries. So that would be a good one. I imagine it's it says 2 servings of blueberry pie or vanilla Keto Chow. That one looks good. All right, Renee, you ready?
But, Snickerdoodle cookies.
Snickerdoodle cookies. I mean, Snickerdoodles originally are cookies. So that makes sense to make a Snickerdoodle cookie with Snickerdoodle Keto Chow. Matcha?
Matcha latte.
Matcha latte. What flavor does that use, I wonder?
Matcha?
Well, they don't have a matcha Keto Chow. Oh, it's cookies and cream Keto Chow.
They should make matcha.
And then matcha powder.
Maybe they
we
should
have
make matcha
powder.
flavor.
I know, they should. See? Okay, who's going to do the last one?
Me.
Well, what about Renee?
I want to.
How about you both do it?
Okay.
Both hands. There you go. Flip it over.
It's banana sunflower waffles.
Ooh.
That's banana.
Yeah, you think they use the banana Keto Chow for that?
Yeah.
Because there's not a sunflower Keto Chow. There is a peanut butter Keto Chow, and sometimes people make sun butter with sunflower seeds in place of peanut butter. So maybe you can make a sunflower Keto Chow. But it's like, why would you do a sunflower Keto Chow when you can have a peanut butter Keto Chow? All right, those waffles, they look really good. Banana Keto Chow, coconut flour, baking powder, egg, butter, almond milk, and sunflower seeds. Sounds delicious. All right, I think we did it. What do you think? Of all these, what are your favorites? So we got the 2
Banana.
2 blueberry pie, 2 Snickerdoodle, 2 banana, chocolate peanut butter, chocolate toffee, and cookies and cream.
I'm gonna hold mine up.
Okay.
Can I choose?
Oh, what's your favorite? And you can choose chocolate if you want. Chocolate toffee.
I choose
Alright,
chocolate.
yeah. I think as long as I
Chocolate.
chocolate
I'll choose this one.
We can't tell them what they will use
I choose these.
What?
in the thumbnail.
Bye.
Yeah, unless we like put
Bye.
question marks over all of
What
them.
if? What if?
Here, everyone sit down.
Bye bye.
Hold this.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Let's see something. Hold these, both of them. Okay. Hold them up so I can see everybody's face.
Hey.
I can't see your face, Renee. Levi, put your hand down so it's not on Renee's face. Renee, put yours up a little bit so it's not on Levi's face. There you go. Now smile. Yeah, I could blur them all out. That would be funny.
Best thumbnail ever.
There you go.
Yeah, you should.
Okay. Did we do it?
Chocolate.
Yeah, that's a good one. So we are going to be making the Snickerdoodle cookies. The ingredients are very simple. There's no almond flour, which I love. We're gonna use butter. It says you can use butter or coconut oil. And then I am gonna make one change. I'm gonna try to use allulose instead of erythritol. We just don't use a lot of erythritol in the house. And I prefer allulose. But it is tricky because it does brown a lot more and a lot faster than other sweeteners. So I am going to reduce the temp on the oven. It has it at 350 here, and I'm gonna bump it down to 300 and then just cook it till it's done. And hopefully, are you tired?
I yawned.
So hopefully they won't get too brown. So that's what we're gonna try for our variation. There's gonna be 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 servings of the keto chow, these ones, and then the erythritol or allulose again, and cinnamon to roll them in because they are snickerdoodles after all. All right, are you ready for this?
Yes.
Okay, let's do it. It says cream, coconut oil, or butter with the mixer. So we need to measure out 120 grams of softened butter.
It just says 100 grams.
I know, but it says 100 grams of coconut oil or a stick of butter, and a stick of butter is 120 grams. So I'm just going to do 120 grams. 111.
100.
That's 118. That's close enough. I think that allulose is the next thing we're going to need. And
Yeah.
a fourth of a cup, right? Can you go get a fourth of a cup measure? Can I see the card? All right, so we're gonna cream this and then add in the allulose and the eggs. So 1/4 of a cup of allulose.
Put it in now?
Yeah, pretty good. All right, and then 2 eggs. All the butter is pasted onto the bottom of the bowl.
Yeah.
It's not mixing in very well. Can you go preheat the oven to 300?
Okay.
This butter is not wanting to mix in here because it keeps pasting to the bottom of the bowl. Alright, still not mixed as much as I would like, but I think I'm going to call it good. Next thing is add in the baking powder and the keto chow.
How much baking powder?
So 2 teaspoons of baking powder. So 2 packets or 2 scoops if you have a big bag of the keto chow. All right, then we don't want to like really whip it at this point. We're just gonna mix it nicely, gently. I think I'm gonna do the rest by hand. So you can get the cinnamon sugar or cinnamon allulose ready. Look at this. It says 1 tablespoon of allulose and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and I got that bowl over there for it.
So I put it in.
Yep, and mix it up. So that's ready to roll. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, I think that's pretty well mixed. Now we are supposed to grab a piece of dough, roll it into a ball, put it in roll it into the mixture, and then add to a pan and bake for 12 to 15 minutes. They look so cute. All right, we're gonna throw these in the oven. You wanna put them in?
Okay.
And we're gonna just watch them. I'm gonna put them in at 300, so a lot lower than called for. And we're gonna just cook them till they're done. We'll see. Okay.
Okay.
They look amazing. They're still a little bit soft, but I think they'll probably firm up as they cool. I don't want to overcook them. Cooked them for 20 minutes exactly. I have a feeling they're gonna be like cake-like cookies. They're so cute. The bottoms, we didn't get too brown, so that's good. We let them cool for a few minutes, so they're not gonna burn our mouth. You ready to taste one?
Okay.
Go for it. I gotta taste one too. Mmm.
They're cakey.
Very buttery. Very, very buttery.
Really good.
It is good. The butter. I mean, these are like cinnamon butter cookies.
Like we just covered a stick of butter in.
They are really, really good. We could do this with any flavor too. And make it whatever kind. We could even do, add chocolate chips and make chocolate chip cookies with like vanilla or chocolate keto chow. Those are fantastic. If you guys like butter and you like cinnamon, try these. So I think this recipe is really solid. Definitely would make again. I think the only change that I would make possibly is to use unsalted butter next time, because I think between the keto chow and the salted butter, there's just a little bit more salt than I would prefer, but they're still fantastic. Definitely a win.